Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. We're building the MB78 DIY kit from Namoki. This is the 9th step. Watch me install the case back. We're about to seal this puppy up, make it entirely waterproof, and we're not very far from home. Before we start building, a few reminders. This is part of a series of videos. Be sure to watch the intro video and the ones that came before this and the ones that come after. Be sure to click on the link below to go and buy your own MB78 kit and use the affiliate link to the Namoki store to get to their store, and then use this code here to enjoy an exclusive discount on this kit. You can only enjoy this discount using the Watch Me Build It code. Finally, don't forget to click like and subscribe. But more than anything, let's do this step. So we have our watch with the movement installed, the movement cushion, case back gasket, case back. We have the gasket lubricator, the watch holder, a microfiber cloth, some plastic to protect the case back. We have some watch oil and an oiler, as well as the case back tool. Right, here we have the watch holder. We're going to put the microfiber cloth over this to protect the case, and then screw the case in so that it's held firmly. First thing I like to do is come along and use some Rodico to just clean any smudges or fingerprints off of the rotor and off of the movement. You can touch the movement anywhere other than the escape wheel. I'm also taking time to clean the channel that takes the gasket. Right. This is the gasket lubricator. You take the top off, drop your gasket in, put the top back on, and then kind of jiggle it around. And that lubricates the gasket with some silicone. Now we bring the gasket over with our tweezers. Carefully take some time to ensure that the gasket is seated in the channel. The lubricant actually helps to keep it in place. And once you have it in place, ready to move on to the next phase. So what I do here is I also take the oiler and I use it to drop a drop of oil onto the thread of the case back. Again, this is just in the interests of helping everything move a little more easily. Now when you install the case back, take time. Some people advise that you go counterclockwise first to find the thread, and then clockwise. You know you have found the thread well when it moves easily until it finds its pressure point. If there's grinding or if you're struggling with this, start again rather than forcing it. Right, this is the case back removal tool. You use that wheel to adjust it. I'm just doing some fine adjustment to ensure that I've got the correct distance between those points. Now I bring the piece of plastic in. I do this so that I don't scratch the case back. I have done that before, scratched the case back. Pressing down firmly, we tighten clockwise until we can't anymore. Now you have a waterproof case. Well done.